everyone, this is Dacia from Linbay Machinery. Today I'd like to introduce you this double layer roll forming machine. The up layer is used to produce corrugated panels and the lower layer is used to produce trapezoidal panels. Compared to two separate roll forming machines, it's a very economical choice to buy this double layer roll forming machine. In this production line, we have a 10-ton hydraulic deployer with loading car, a roll forming machine and out tables. The sheet we use with the thickness of 0.5 to 0.7 millimeters. So if you are interested in this machine, please keep watching. In the beginning of the roll forming machine production line, we have a 10-ton hydraulic deployer because in this case we use a steel sheet, thick and heavy. So the capacity of this deployer is 10 ton. It's a very powerful and efficient machine. And we can see the cabinet on the machine. Via these buttons, the worker can control this machine. It's very convenient and automatic. With this machine, the feeding process is seamless and don't have pause. In this machine, we have the press arm. We can see the press arm. This press arm is used to press the steel coil and prevent the worker from being injured by the steel coil. It's very thoughtful for the workers. This hydraulic deployer equipped with a loading car for load the steel coils. It can move forward, backward, and ascend, descend in the feeding process. And it's very convenient for the loading steel coils. Next, we can see the most important part of the production line, the roll forming machine. This is a double layer roll forming machine. It means the machine has two sets of rollers, and all these rollers are completed to have a long lifespan. And because in this case we use a sheet of 0.5 to 0.7 millimeters, and the yield strength is 350 MPa. We use more forming stations. Totally, we have 22 forming stations in this machine to forming the better shape of profile. And the structure of this machine is panel support with transmission by chains. Outside these chains, we have the covers. These covers can protect workers from being injured. Finally, we come to the hydraulic cut section. In this case, we have two sets of blades to cut two different types of profiles. And we've used the thicker spacers to ensure that the cutting process is more stable. There won't be gaps after several cuts, which will cause burrs. On my hand, we have the black spacers and the white spacers. In this machine, we've used these thicker spacers. The cutting process is more stable. There won't be gaps after several cuts. The gaps will cause burrs on our profiles, but since we don't have gaps, so our cutting profiles are very smooth. All these details are based on the experience of our workers, so the test on our factory is very important. We don't have 2 times or 3 times test. We test a long time to ensure the machine can work during a very long time. We are very responsible for these machines. We can ensure all our machines are stable and can complete the production task. This is all about this machine. And after we ship this machine, we will send the client the video of installation. the instruction manual. And we have an online group to answer all kinds of questions. Also, we can send the engineer to client's factory. Linbay Machinery provides the best after-sales service to our clients. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us via the information in the top right corner. See you next time.